y'all, welcome to my channel. This was a highly requested video, so what I'm going to be showing you guys today is how to get a seamless closure install. How can you make your closure not look like a wig? How can you make your closure not look wiggy? How can you make your closure look like a frontal? So stay tuned, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe. First things first, you're going to mold your client's cap down or mold your cap down if you're doing this on yourself. Then you're going to proceed with the plucking method. My plucking method has not changed. I always start a little behind the hairline and continue to go back, and back. The same exact way I pluck my frontals is the same exact way I do my closures. Position your closure. Once you get it in the correct position, ask your client to bring their hands up and help you hold it down. Then you're going to proceed with sewing your closure down. Of course, you're going to go ahead and use the makeup that's your skin complexion and put it on the cap and on the closure. The glue that I'm using in this video is the Bold Hold Active. You can purchase this at thehairdiagram.com. Please pay very close attention because this is what I'm about to do. This is going to play a major role in how your install is going to come out when you're using a closure. The little piece that I just cut off must come off if you want a seamless closure. Make sure you're cutting in a jagged zigzag motion. Do not cut straight across. I'm about to do it again, so pay attention. Here we go. A closure install is slightly different from the frontal installs. With the frontal installs, I always leave the head wrap tied down for the whole entire install. However, the way you need to sew your tracks with your closure install, you're not going to be able to leave the head wrap on there for the entire install. So I'm just going ahead and blow drying it on heat and allowing the closure to mold and the baby hairs to mold exactly how I need them to be. Then you're going to proceed with sewing your tracks in like so. This is the same exact pattern I always do. I'm going to show you guys a few minutes of this. If you'd like another video on how I sew my tracks in from start to finish, but this time using a closure, let me know, comment below. Now that your install is complete, you're going to take the hair from the closure, flat iron the ends of it over the tracks. It's kind of hard to explain exactly what I'm doing, but I'm pretty sure you guys know what I mean. The little area where you sew your actual closure down at, you're going to take that hair, flat iron it very flat, and cover up the tracks. You want this to look flat. You don't want a humpy, bumpy, lumpy install. Go ahead and comb your baby hairs out. Once you comb your baby hairs out, you can proceed with using your hot comb to get your closure as flat as you need it to be and as natural as you need it to look. I do not know where this hair came from, but if you look in the description box and underneath this video in the comments, I have a very, very unbeatable deal going on. We're going to curl the hair. Once you have the curls, you're going to get a pin and pin the curl up. You're going to do this for the whole entire curling process. And once you're done, of course, you're going to go ahead and take the pins out. What I'm doing now is taking some makeup and defining her part. Comb the curls out and style them as desired. Thank you guys for tuning in. Love you guys so much and see you next time.